Hey guys, it's Mr. Thivierge looking at question number 1 for building a rule of a line, practice test 01. This is my second shot at solution for number 1 because bonehead that I am, I actually made a calculation error in the first attempt that somebody caught and earned a bonus mark for. But I'm going to start off by saying that when we're trying to find the slope of a line, we should know by now the keyword for that is rate of change, or the A in the formula y equals ax plus b, and that we're going to be dealing with 2 points. Point 1, which will be composed of x1, y1, and point 2, which is x2, y2. Hang on a second, let me hit my focus. There we go. And so you can clearly see those points labeled, and we know that we have a rule for that slope to calculate that, and that we know that A will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And as long as we put the points into the x's and y's into the right location in this formula, that will allow us to calculate the rate of change, or the rise over the run. Right? So the distance that we're going to move up or down from one point to the next, and the difference that we're moving left or right from one point to the next. So A will be equal to, in this particular example, y2, which is negative 68, minus y1, which is 13, divided by x2, negative 54, minus x1, which is negative 27. So very quickly, you can see that negative 68 minus 13 will give me negative 81 for the top of the fraction, and the bottom of the fraction will be negative 54 minus negative 27, negative 54 minus negative 27, which is negative 27. And when I do that, I'll see that negative 81 divided by negative 27 is equal to 3. And so the rate of change for this one is 3, or 3 over 1. In the next problem, we're going to be looking at how to find the b when we know the slope. But really no more difficult. Once you know that slope, it becomes really easy, as long as you have 1 point, to go ahead and calculate the b in y equals ax plus b, which is exactly what we'll be doing for number 2. Sorry for the confusion, and we'll take a look at some new ones next week. Bye-bye.